Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12 Review 2026. Watch before you buy. Are you tired of mediocre speakers that can't deliver the bass and clarity you need? Do you want to take your music game to the next level but don't know where to start? If so, keep watching because I've got a game changer for you. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12. It's not just any speaker, it's a powerhouse that will blow your mind with its exceptional performance. Therefore, I'm going to reveal my personal experience with this product and show you why I think it's the best choice for anyone looking to upgrade their sound system. The Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12 is a 12-inch subwoofer that packs a punch. With its heavy-duty design and robust materials, it can handle high power levels without breaking a sweat. But what really sets it apart is its ability to deliver deep, rich bass notes that will shake the floor. But don't just take my word for it. Here are some key features that make this speaker stand out. 12-inch subwoofer with heavy-duty design. Robust materials for high power handling. Deep, rich bass notes that will shake the floor. Compact size makes it perfect for any vehicle or installation. There's one thing I want to clarify. This product is not for beginners. It's a serious upgrade that requires some know-how and planning to install properly. But trust me, the results are worth it. But here's what I love about the Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12. Its ability to seamlessly integrate with any sound system. Whether you're upgrading your car audio or home theater setup, this speaker will fit right in like a charm. Therefore, if you want to experience music like never before, keep reading because I'm going to dive deeper into the world of the Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12 and show you what makes it so special. The good stuff. As I mentioned earlier, this speaker is not just any ordinary subwoofer. Its exceptional performance stems from its robust design and materials. Here are some key benefits. Exceptional bass response with deep notes that will shake the floor. Heavy-duty construction for high-power handling. Compact size makes it perfect for any installation. Seamless integration with any sound system. But what really impressed me was how easy it is to install. With its compact design and straightforward wiring, you'll be up and running in no time. But here's a word of caution: don't skimp on the amplifier or wiring. Trust me, I've seen some people overestimate their system's capabilities and end up with blown speakers. Therefore, make sure you do your research and invest in quality components. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of this speaker. Here are some technical details to give you a better understanding. Frequency response, 22 Hz, 200 Hz. Power handling, 400 WRMS. Sensitivity, 85 dB. But what does it all mean? Simply put, this speaker is designed to handle high power levels and deliver deep, rich bass notes. Therefore, if you want the best sound quality possible, don't settle for anything less. The not-so-good stuff. While I've been raving about the Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12, there are a few things to consider before making your purchase. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Installation requires some know-how and planning. It's not for beginners. You'll need some experience with sound systems. But don't let that discourage you. With a little patience and research, you'll be enjoying your new speaker in no time. The verdict asterisk. After weeks of testing and evaluating the Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12, I can confidently say it's one of the best speakers on the market today. Its exceptional performance, robust design, and seamless integration make it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their sound system. Therefore, if you want the best sound quality possible without breaking the bank, look no further than the Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12. For the best price, click the link in the description. Final thought. As I wrap up this review, I want to reiterate that the Rockford Fosgate P2D4-12 is not just a speaker, it's an experience. Its ability to deliver deep, rich bass notes and seamless integration with any sound system makes it a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their music setup. Therefore, don't settle for mediocre speakers anymore. Get the best of the best and experience music like never before.